Alright, so I'm Taylor at the Hair Restoration Institute in Fort Worth, and I'm here with Charles today, and we're going to be doing a hair makeover. So, I'll show you how we do it. Oh, that's the money shot.
I was about to say, that one just kind of sucked on.
Like a full head of hair for the first time in how long? What does it feel like?
It gets my heart pounding a little bit harder because it's definitely I don't know, I haven't seen anything like that in so long. It's very surreal feeling. It's a good feeling, I can tell you that.
That's awesome.
Like I can't even really recognize myself. Honestly, it's.
Wait till your wife sees you.
I know it's insane. All on the inside. I'm telling you, I feel just, I don't know, it's a good feeling.
Good. I like to hear that.
When you're brushed over my hair, it's kind of disconnecting because I hear it more than I feel it. And so it kind of just, that's a little something that I think we'll get used to because you don't have the sensation like the comb touching your scalp anymore, but you still feel it. If that makes sense.
Hour and a half later here with Charles, we completed the makeover. What do you think?
Mind-blowing. Like, just especially when you showed me like the back of my head and all the different angles, it looks so real. It's hard for me to even believe.
Zoom in on that hairline so that people can just kind of see how nice that looks.
It's crazy. I'm very eager for other people to see it, so.